What's up, guys? Indiana Harley guy here. We are at the airport heading to Las Vegas for a few days. Be sure to check out some of the Harley stores out there while we're there. So yeah, stay tuned, guys. Alright, we have officially landed in Las Vegas, and check that out. There's actually a Harley store in the airport down here. That's awesome. And this is my woman, Crystal, aka Indiana Harley Gal. So we're going to take in some sights and some whatnot here in Las Vegas this weekend. Stay tuned. What's going on, you guys? Indiana Harley guy here. I am actually at a BMW dealership. Decided to pick me up a ride for the day. Beautiful 2022 BMW R18 bagger. I'm going to take it for a ride up to Hoover Dam today, out here in Las Vegas. I'm going to see how she does. Say hello, darling.
What's up?
Indiana Harley gal sitting over there. So yeah, let's go ahead and strap this camera down and find somewhere to get some sunscreen and get on the road. And I would like to give a shout out to my brother-in-law, Mr. Frederick. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Freddie.
It's one of the reasons why we're out here this weekend, celebrating his birthday. So happy birthday. I love you. Let's get on the road. to the Hoover Dam. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not used to riding in this desert heat, and that was a little on the brutal side. But so far, this is our view. It's not too shabby. I think we're gonna go drive across that bridge here in a little bit, check that out. Still here at the Hoover Dam. Just picked up some souvenirs for some friends and family back home, as well as for me and my woman. So yeah, here in a few minutes I'll be back on the road, heading back into Las Vegas. All right, we're getting ready to leave the Hoover Dam. Say hi, baby. So I'm gonna talk a little bit about the ride I had out here. So as you seen earlier, I rented myself a 2022 BMW R18 bagger. Surprisingly, it was more comfortable than I thought it was going to be. I figured my knees would give me issues, but it wasn't that bad. But that heat, oh my lord, the heat is brutal. I am not built for riding in desert heat. So we were going to go out to the West Grand Canyon today, but that's a little too much for me on that bike in this heat. So I think we're going to go ahead and leave here, get the bike returned, and go get some food. So yeah, I appreciate you coming along and taking this journey with me today out here to the amazing Hoover Dam. I apologize for the lack of footage, but like I said, a lot of people, it's hot. I was just more worried about keeping hydrated and keep it cool. So yeah, you guys have a good day. Thanks for watching. Ride safe. So we decided to make one more scenic little stop here to check out Lake Mead. Look at that view, folks. Tell me that ain't something else. You don't see this back in Indiana, that's for sure.